Toronto, the largest city in Canada, is a vibrant and diverse destination that attracts travelers from around the world. Known for its multicultural atmosphere, iconic skyline, and exciting attractions, Toronto offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in art, food, nature, or entertainment, Toronto never disappoints. More than 100 nationalities call Toronto their home, and this diversity is reflected in its festivals, languages, and food. Visitors can enjoy everything from authentic Chinese dishes in Chinatown to Italian delicacies in Little Italy. The CN Tower is one of Toronto's most famous landmarks and one of the tallest freestanding structures in the world. Standing at 553 meters, 1,815 feet, it offers stunning panoramic views of the city and Lake Ontario. Visitors can enjoy a meal in the revolving restaurant, walk on the glass floor, or try the thrilling edge walk, where you can walk hands-free around the outside ledge of the tower. Built in 1976, the CN Tower has become a symbol of Toronto's skyline and a must-visit attraction for tourists. The Toronto skyline is one of the most beautiful and recognizable cityscapes in the world. With the iconic CN Tower rising proudly above modern skyscrapers and the sparkling waters of Lake Ontario in the background, it creates a breathtaking view, especially at sunset or when the city lights glow at night. The Niagara Falls is one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world and one of Canada's top tourist attractions. Located about an hour and a half from Toronto, it features three powerful waterfalls, the Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Visitors can feel the mist on their faces while standing at the edge or take a thrilling boat tour. At night, the falls are illuminated in brilliant colors, making the view truly magical. With beautiful parks, restaurants, and entertainment nearby, Niagara Falls offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada is one of Toronto's most popular attractions. Located right next to the CN Tower, it features thousands of fascinating marine animals from around the world. Visitors can walk through the amazing glass tunnel where sharks and turtles swim overhead, creating an unforgettable underwater experience. It's a fun and educational destination for families, students, and anyone who loves exploring the wonders of the sea. Visiting Ripley's Aquarium is a great way to discover the beauty and mystery of the underwater world. Casa Loma is a beautiful and historic castle located in Toronto, Canada. Built in the early 1900s, it looks like a real European castle with tall towers, secret tunnels, and elegant rooms filled with old furniture and artwork. Visitors can walk through its grand halls, explore the lovely gardens, and enjoy amazing views of the city from the top towers. Casa Loma is also used for movies, weddings, and special events because of its fairy tale charm. It's a must-visit spot for anyone who loves history, architecture, and beautiful places. High Park is the largest and most famous park in Toronto. It is a beautiful green space where visitors can enjoy walking, picnicking, and relaxing in nature. The park has lovely gardens, quiet trails, playgrounds, and even a small zoo. In the spring, High Park becomes especially beautiful when the cherry blossom trees bloom, covering the park in pink and white flowers. High Park is a peaceful escape from the busy city and a great place to enjoy the outdoors all year round. This map-led approach allows for a calm, methodical exploration. Rogers Centre is one of Toronto's most popular and exciting landmarks. It is a large sports and entertainment stadium located right next to the CN Tower. The Rogers Centre is famous for its retractable roof, which can open and close depending on the weather, the first of its kind in the world when it was built. The Rogers Centre is a great place for visitors to experience the energy and excitement of Toronto. Toronto City Hall is one of the city's most famous landmarks and a symbol of modern architecture. It has a unique design with two curved towers surrounding a central domed building. The large public square in front, called Nathan Phillips Square, it is a popular place for events, concerts, and skating in the winter. The City Hall is not only the center of Toronto's government but also a great spot for tourists to take photos and enjoy the lively atmosphere of downtown. Toronto Harbour is a beautiful waterfront area along the shores of Lake Ontario. It is a lively spot where visitors can enjoy walking along the promenade, taking boat tours, or simply relaxing by the water. The harbour offers stunning views of the Toronto skyline, especially at sunset, and is close to attractions like the CN Tower and Rogers Centre. There are also parks, restaurants, and marinas, making it a perfect place for sightseeing, dining, and enjoying outdoor activities. Toronto Harbour is a peaceful and scenic escape in the heart of the city. Toronto Islands are a group of small islands located just a short ferry ride from downtown Toronto. They are a peaceful and scenic escape from the busy city, offering beautiful beaches, walking trails, and picnic spots. Visitors can rent bicycles or kayaks to explore the islands, enjoy playgrounds with children, or simply relax and take in the views of Lake Ontario and the Toronto skyline. In the summer, the islands are a popular spot for outdoor activities, festivals, and family outings. Toronto Islands are a perfect place to enjoy nature and the outdoors while staying close to the city. The University of Toronto is one of Canada's oldest and most prestigious universities, located in the heart of the city. It is known for its beautiful historic buildings, modern campuses, and world-class research. Students from around the world come here to study a wide variety of subjects. It is not only a center for learning, but also an important part of Toronto's culture and history. Harbourfront Centre is a lively cultural and recreational area along Toronto's waterfront. It offers art galleries, theaters, shops, and outdoor spaces for festivals and events throughout the year. Visitors can enjoy concerts, exhibitions, and craft markets, or simply take a walk along the beautiful lakeside promenade. Harbourfront Centre is a perfect place for families, tourists, and anyone looking to enjoy arts, culture, and the scenic views of Lake Ontario and the Toronto skyline. Yonge-Dundas Square, sometimes called Sankofa Square, is a vibrant public square in the heart of downtown Toronto. It is surrounded by bright billboards, shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, making it a busy and exciting place to visit. The square hosts concerts, cultural events, and seasonal festivals, attracting both locals and tourists. With its lively atmosphere and central location, Yonge-Dundas Sankofa Square is often called Toronto's version of Times Square and is a must-see spot for experiencing the energy of the city. The Royal Alexandra Theatre is one of Toronto's most famous and historic theatres. Built in 1907, it is known for its beautiful architecture and elegant interior. The theatre hosts a variety of performances, including plays, musicals, and special shows, attracting audiences from all over the city and beyond. Visiting the Royal Alexandra Theatre is a wonderful way to enjoy the arts and experience Toronto's rich cultural scene. Toronto looks magical in the winter when it is covered in snow. The streets, parks, and waterfront sparkle with white snow, and the city feels peaceful and festive. Landmarks like CN Tower, Casa, Loma, and High Park look even more beautiful in the snowy backdrop. The snow also makes outdoor activities like skating, sledding, and walking through parks extra fun. Toronto in winter is a charming and feels like a winter wonderland. In conclusion, Toronto is a vibrant and exciting city with something for everyone. From the stunning CN Tower and historic Casa Loma to the peaceful Toronto Islands and lively Yonge-Dundas Square, the city offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. With its diverse neighborhoods, beautiful waterfront, and world-class attractions, Toronto is a must-visit destination for travelers. Exploring the city provides unforgettable experiences and memories that last a lifetime.